चाहिए जो आए आके इनको अभी इस संदूक में बंद करेंगे. We're going to lock him in this big trunk, and with the magic words of Abracadabra will come out from this magic trunk. We need someone to come and check it out. कोई भी आके चेक कर सकते हैं कि ये anyone from the bigger or for the adults, would you please come and check it out? I request someone, would you please come, the beautiful girl sitting here in front of me. You have to check if they're wrong or right. Would you please come? Come on, yes you, why not you? Please do clap for the beautiful lady here. Please do clap, come on. Don't be jealous, I know she looks so beautiful, but don't be jealous, come on. On stage please, ma'am. So what is your beautiful name? Naila. Alright, Naila. So now you can check it out, you can see. Let me help your someone up. Okay. You can turn around, show the people that you're checking it or not. It's fixed. Okay, now she's going to lock him. Keep watching all of you. अब तक तो थोड़ा सा ऐसे मजाक था, लेकिन now अब थोड़ा serious business start हो गया है. A little serious business started here. So she's going to lock him in this big magic box. जोर से ताला लगा दें. देखिए निकलेगा तो नहीं अब? नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. All right. So keep watching. She's going to lock him properly. ताले इन्होंने लगाए हैं. She's going to lock him. और अगर कुछ हो गया तो जिम्मेदारी आपकी बनती है, ठीक है? If something happened to him, you'll be responsible, huh? If he dies or something, huh? No problem. Okay, good. So she's going to lock him. आप इनकी help करेंगी please, this? Help her to fix this lock. ताले बंद करके चाबियां अभी आपके सामने हम रख देंगे. Now you can see it's completely locked. Keep watching. All of you, please गौर से देखिएगा. अभी हमने इनकी लॉक कर दी है, इनके हर तरफ से बिल्कुल हाथ बंद हो चुके हैं. Now we are going to put this gentleman, the magician, will go into the magic box. गौर से देखिएगा. Now he's going to in this magic box, and there's a black piece of cloth. गौर से देखिएगा. Mr. Magician with his fixed hands, locked hands inside. इसको बंद कर दें इनको. And you will see what will happen with the magic words of Abracadabra. Also, please keep watching. He's inside, and she's going to fix him. And now it's completely inside. You can check it out. Keep watching, all of you. Mr. Magician is now inside the magic bag. In the door se band kar de inko. All right. Now lock him. Hurry up, lock him. Don't let him go. आप कपड़ा आप उठाएं, please. लॉक दिखा दें सबको. आप भी कपड़ा उठा लें ऊपर ताकि ये लॉक कर दिया. You can check it out. So लॉक कर दिया है, रस्सी बांध दें इसमें. Now he's locked twicely. His hands are locked. He's inside. बेटा बैठ जाए, बच्चा बैठ जाए, please बैठ जाए. Now look at this. The girl, she's going to fix inside. Let's see what she will do. Now she's there inside, and now the magic box is inside, and the girl, she's going to go inside. Let's see what will happen with the magic words of Abracadabra. You will see, and you will see what will happen. 1, 2, the girl's still inside, and keep watching. The man was inside, the girl is inside. What happened to the girl? The girl disappeared, and the boy come out without any problem within few seconds. Now let's see. 1. The magician was completely locked. उसके हाथ बंद थे और अभी आपके सामने 4 सेकंड के अंदर लॉक थे उनके दोनों हाथ. Now give us the keys as it's locked, and you will see it was locked and we got a key to open it. Now finally you will see the girl must be inside. Or where is she? Now look at this. 1, 2. The girl will come out from this side. And she's here with her left hand tucked over in a few seconds. So please do clap for the beautiful girl and the magician. The keys, excuse me, Miss Tala. Would you come? हमारी बच्ची को तो खोल के जाएं, बंद करके चली गई. Please do.